the mention of £20 million seems to have sent Kenyan and British lawyers scrambling to file fresh cases against the British government with the hope of success. However, there is a faction of the Mau Mau war veterans in Nyeri who are not among the 5,228 but are demanding more than 20 million offered, adding that the government should not accept the compensation until their demands are met. KTN's Catherine Omanto has these details.
A group calling itself the Mau Mau War Veteran Association in Nyeri want the compensation of 5,200 victims of torture halted. All these elderly men and women were part of one group formed in 2003. However, over time, they claimed that they were sidelined by the Mau Mau War Veteran Association led by Gittua Kahengeri. That aside, they too want to be compensated, but their price is a little higher than what the British government is offering.
Tupatio milioni 200,000 ama 28 milioni kwa watoto wale hawakusoma.
This group was not part of the faction that sued the British government. Besides, the British government will not compensate everyone who claims to have been tortured, but only those certified to have suffered inhumane acts by the colonial government, and so far that only accounts for 5,200 war veterans.
Nikiingia huko nilikuwa kijana wa miaka 16. Sasa sisi tukinyanyaswa namna hii tutakuwa nini? Afadhali kuuawa.
The British government recognizes that Kenyans were subject to torture and other forms of ill treatment at the hands of the colonial administration.
As it stands, there are 4 other law firms claiming to represent war veterans in 2 fresh cases against the British government. British law firm Tandem Law and Cecil Miller and Advocates have filed a case with the British High Court against the Commonwealth government. They claim to over 8,000 Mau Mau war veterans on their books. And then there's the British law firm GT, along with Rabala and company advocates, who are to file a case in the British High Court this week. They claim to represent another 700 plus war veterans. How successful these cases will be is anyone's guess. However, it would seem that allowing a second case and even a third case against its government, Her Majesty's Court of Justice would be opening a legal Pandora's box. Catherine Omanto, KTN.